This is now our whoa. Yeah.
Huh. First time I've seen one of those like that.
Funny how, yeah. That is.
It's kind of cool to see without the filter, though.
It is. It's blue without the filter. I think this is an LRV.
Probably.
Vintage. Yeah, the indicator on the screen looks almost white without the filter, though.
Yeah, on the phone it does.
Yeah.
In real life, it's like.
It's like a teal.
Yeah, very it's teal.
I think we should go to L.
I agree.
And back.
I agree. This is even sketchier. Oh my.
This used to be like a quality, and there's what remains of the ice machine.
Yeah, this place is very sketchy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the ice machine doesn't work, I don't think.
Weirdly enough, they have RFID card access. Here it is.
Here's our elevator.
Should we go back to L?
Yeah.
First floor?
Yeah.
Like, I think there is a way out the first direction.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess this place has a lot of problems.
I wonder.
It's cool to see an elevator indicator without the filter, but at the same time.
The lanterns are all scratched and tagged up. Very. Yeah, this place is creepy. Very, very creepy. Okay, that's it.